Hello, and welcome. Coach Jackson asked me to guide you through this important assignment so that you understand exactly what to do and, most importantly, why this activity matters for your growth, safety, and future success. This assignment is called Understanding Consequences Through Decision Making. And while the title may sound serious, the steps are simple once you understand the structure. The goal is to help you think ahead, recognize risky situations, and develop the kind of decision-making skills that protect your well-being, emotionally, socially, physically, and legally. The first thing you need to know is this. For every version of this assignment, the directions stay exactly the same. The only thing that changes is the given scenario. That means once you understand the structure, you'll be able to complete every new scenario with confidence. What you are being asked to do, you will write 3 separate short stories, each about 1 to 2 paragraphs. Each story represents a different negative outcome that could happen in the situation you are given. Here is what each story should focus on. Story 1, an emotional or safety consequence. This may involve fear, embarrassment, pressure, or being in an unsafe environment. Story 2, a health, social, or physical consequence. This could include injuries, damaged friendships, panic reactions, or social problems. Story 3, required, a legal consequence. This must include something involving law enforcement or legal penalties, such as a citation, arrest, juvenile intake, court involvement, probation, or school disciplinary action that connects to legal procedures. This third story is mandatory because understanding legal outcomes helps you recognize how certain decisions can affect your freedom, your reputation, and your future opportunities. The 6 required parts of every story, all 3 of your stories, must include the same 6 components. The situation restate the given scenario in your own words. Show that you understand what is happening. The trigger identify what started the problem, what moment, action, or stressor led to the negative outcome. The emotional response explain what the character felt in that moment. Fear, anger, embarrassment, pressure, excitement, or confusion. The behavior or choice describe the decision the character made. This is the turning point of the story. The consequence clearly outline the negative outcome. 2 consequences can be emotional, physical, or social. One story must include a legal consequence. The lesson learned explain what the character realized and how this insight could help them make better choices in the future. These 6 parts must appear in every story you write. This structure helps you think more deeply about how decisions connect to consequences. Something is essential not only for school, but for real life. Why this assignment matters. Coach Jackson designed this activity based on behavioral health best practices, and it aligns with skills used in evidence-based programs. This assignment helps you understand risky or pressured situations, recognize early warning signs, increase emotional awareness, strengthen impulse, control, practice cognitive decision-making, understand social, physical, and legal consequences, build long-term responsibility, and self-control, develop insight into how one choice can shape your future. This skill set is valuable for you, but it is also important for teachers, mentors, counselors, and behavioral health specialists who may review your work. It helps adults better understand your thought process, your strengths, and the areas where you are growing. How to start. Here is how Coach Jackson wants you to approach each assignment. Read the given scenario carefully. Think of 3 different negative outcomes that could realistically happen. Write each story in its own paragraph or section. Do not mix them together. Make sure your third story contains a legal consequence. Follow the 6 required parts for each story. Review your work to ensure your stories are clear, thoughtful, and complete. Final encouragement. Coach Jackson believes in your potential. He wants you to have skills that protect you, guide you, and prepare you for your future. This assignment is not busy work. It is practice for real-life situations that many young people face. When you take this seriously, you are investing in yourself. You're learning how to stay safe, make informed choices, and understand the long-term impact of your decisions. Take your time, think carefully, and give your best effort. You've got this, and Coach Jackson is proud of the work you're doing. This skill set is valuable for you, but it is also important for teachers, mentors, counselors, and behavioral health specialists who may review your work. It helps adults better understand your thought process, your strengths, and the areas where you are growing.